Site to check pulse in emergency. Answer C. Carotid. Normal adult capillary refill time. Answer B. Less than 2 seconds. Which vitamin is water soluble? Answer D. Vitamin C. Which organ controls body temperature? Answer C. Hypothalamus. Normal adult urine specific gravity. Answer B. 1.010 থেকে 1.030. Most common hospital emergency. Answer C. Respiratory distress. Which vein is preferred for IV therapy? Answer C. Cephalic. Normal adult daily calorie requirement. Answer C. 2000 to 2500 kilocalorie. Which disease is caused by insulin deficiency? Answer A. Diabetes mellitus. Which position is best for dyspnea? Answer C. High Fowler's. Normal adult blood volume. Answer C. 5 to 6 liter. Which test measures long-term glucose control? Answer C. HbA1c. Which vitamin deficiency causes anemia? Answer B. Vitamin B12. Which condition causes polyuria? Answer B. Diabetes mellitus. Normal adult sodium level. Answer C. 135 to 145 MEq per liter. Which organ is affected in hepatitis? Answer B. Liver. Main cause of hypovolemic shock. Answer B. Blood loss. Which drug prevents blood clotting? Answer B. Aspirin. Normal adult oxygen flow by nasal cannula. Answer B. 2 to 6 liter per minute. Which condition causes jaundice? Answer B. Liver disease. Which electrolyte imbalance causes arrhythmia? Answer B. Potassium. First, nursing responsibility. Answer B. Patient safety. Census conducted every. Answer C. 10 years.